This is a simple operating guide using the RL78 G14 sensor software module in eSquare Studio. The following section describes how to connect the sensor board, HS3001 to the RL78 G14, and view the relative temperature and humidity data in real time. Please prepare the following items that are used in this video. The RL78 G14 fast prototyping board and relative humidity sensor PMOD board. Connect the sensor board to PMOD 2 G14 on the G14 board. Use the latest version of eSquare Studio as the integrated development environment. You will also need to download the sample code. Download the sample code for the HS300X sample application from the sensor software page on the Renesas website. Extract the downloaded zip file and launch eSquare Studio. That's it, you're all set. Import the sample code into your workspace. Click Import Projects and select General, rename and import existing C++ project into Workspace. Select root directory, and click Browse to select the unzipped file mentioned earlier in this video. HS300X RL78 G14 non-OS is selected in this example. Enter a project name, and select the project path you want to import the file to. Click Finish to complete the import. Next, generate and build the code. Double-click Code Generation, Peripheral Functions. From here, you can customize peripheral settings such as ports and interrupts. After completing the settings, click Generate Code. Change the build settings to verify real-time updates of sensor values. Right-click on the project name and select C++ Project Settings. Click on the Tool Settings tab, Compiler, Optimization, and set the level of optimization to Debug Precedence. Right-click the project name, and run the build. After a successful build, perform debugging operations. Connect the USB cable to the target board and the PC. Focus on the project name, and select Run, Debug Configurations. In the Debug Configuration dialog, select Renesas GDB Hardware Debugging and click on the debug configuration you have already created. The debug configuration in this example is HS300X RL78 G14 non-OS. Set power target from the emulator to No, in the power options of Debugger, Connection Settings. Click Apply, Debug to start debugging. Since execution stops at the start position of the program, click on the Resume button to run the program. If execution stops at the main function again, click Resume again. The program is running now. Check the real-time temperature and humidity that the sensor is measuring. Click C++ in the upper right corner, and double-click Source, HS300X, RL78 HS300X.C in Project Explorer. Click Debug in the upper right corner, then click the expression view. Drag and drop this variable name into the expression view. Right-click the selected value, and select Enable Real-Time Refresh, to view the current temperature and humidity changes in real time. Renesas offers a wide variety of modules and sample codes to help you get started immediately, to control Renesas sensor products and acquire measurement data. These modules and sample codes enable you to set up drivers and middleware modules easily and quickly without being aware of how to control the communication interface and support efficient development of IoT systems. For more information, please refer to the sensor software page on the Renesas website.